Okay, so while we're waiting for the OVO to boot up, should be a couple minutes, I'm going to very simply set up my OVI. So I've already unpacked it and everything. It's basically just a case of plugging everything in. The power strip, make sure the power strip is on. I'm going to go and I'm going to make sure all the plugs in my OVI, okay, they're all plugged in too, because again, everything gets a little loose from all the travel. Okay, I'm going to turn it on. Okay, I wait for it, I hear a little click, I can see lights coming on. If you look through this little screen here, you'll see a green light come on, and that's how you know that the entire machine is on. You can also hear the fan. So we're going to wait for this to boot up. Again, doesn't take very long, and we will be ready to go. Thank you.